round 16 we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and mark the second chain as the beginning of the round. As well as the beginning of the repeating stitches, because this counts as one double crochet. So 2 more double crochets on top of the 2 double crochets. Chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet, and on next double crochet 3 times. So that was 1, 2, and this is the third. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip this space and single crochet on the next space. Chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet on next double crochet 3 times. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 2 and single crochet on the chain 1 space, then chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet on next double crochet 3 times. So that was 1, this is the second. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet on the next space. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip this space, the chain 3 space, and we repeat. So we are repeating the stitch that began at the first double crochet and ends at the chain 3. So we will repeat from here to the chain 3. So repeat double crochet on the next double crochet 3 times. That was 1. So let me just do it quietly. And repeat. So keep repeating the same repeating stitches all around, and I will meet you at the end of the round. After the last chain 3 of the round in a slip stitch on the beginning chain 3 on the mark stitch, and this is the end of round 16.